Hello and welcome to my channel. Are you getting those Easter jitters as well when the winter is over and the weather turns a little bit less cold? We have to prepare ourselves for Easter, making all sorts of wonderful crochet items. And today I'm going to talk about Easter baskets. You know, those wonderful things in which you can collect Easter eggs, whether crocheted, like in this one, or the good stuff, as in that one. Let's take a look at some gorgeous Easter basket crochet patterns. This first one is so cute and so small. Um, it's very cute. It's filled with little eggs and little chickies, small eggs, larger eggs. It is crochet basket perfection. Now this one has a very functional role to play in your Easter on your Easter table. Everyone will have a snug place to put their eggs, and in the middle you can put maybe some bread or something else. It will look stunning on your table, and those little ribbon flowers are the perfect finishing touch for this. But you can do it without and have a more let's say, plain look. This next one is also is a plain one. It's straightforward, a basket with some eggs. If you don't want a lot of frou-frou on your or you just don't have a lot of time, go for this one. It's just it's a perfectly good one. Now this one has a little bit more frou-frou, a little bit more decoration. It has a gorgeous little goose or chicken face on it with a little cap. It's very, very cute. She is guarding the plastic, in this case, plastic eggs that are been gathered. This will be a treat for any kid to use when hunting for Easter eggs. Now this one is also very functional. It has a little bit of decoration on the side with these scallops, and as you can see, the only slight disadvantage may be that it's not big enough. It only doesn't seem to hold a lot of eggs, but for small kids it's perfect. And now this one is one of my personal favorites. This little pug is ready to do some Easter egg hunting. I have another sort of close-up. Look at this little face. How cute is this? Very simple to make, but very, very effective. Now this is a vintage pattern with a lot of flower decorations. The basket itself seems to be very straightforward, and you make this wonderful decorations sort of extra. I think it's a lovely, lovely thing, and it fits the spring and Easter theme perfectly. Now this is a completely different kind of basket. This little dragon or dinosaur or whatever you want to call it, it's very, very, it's very cute. It even has a little tail. Look at that. How wonderful is that? I love the way that the handle has two colors. It sort of breaks up the monotony of the bright green, and he has a very, very happy looking creature. And another very simple, small one. Let's not forget the small things in life are sometimes the best things in life. I love the way that there's multiple stripes in this pattern and one big flower as a decoration. It's very cute and very Eastery, if that is a word. Now this one is gorgeous. Look at this. It's a gorgeous little well, it's a rabbit. It's the Easter bunny with a cute little pink nose and a beautiful decorated flower. And I love the floppy ears. It's very cute. Now this is a collection of Easter baskets that have different creatures on them. And if I'm correct, I'm only going to show you this one in close-up. The other ones will follow in different videos, so stay tuned for those. Now this cute little bunny is the Easter bunny. Obviously, I love the way that this sort of grounds the basket with the little carrots to to the floor, I suppose. And this little face is just very, very cute. A different kind of basket again for your Easter table, enjoying those lovely eggs on Easter morning. A chicken protecting those eggs. It's very I like this. I like this one. I like this the stitch that I use, sort of a popcorn stitch there. I think I like the 3 tail feathers, and I like the fact that it holds a lot of eggs. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? And look at this on the background. How cute is that little egg cozy? I have a whole series of videos about Easter egg cozies and just egg cozies in general, so check those out if you want. Now let's see. Oh, look at yellow just makes me very happy. I mean, it's a very happifying color. Look at this little happy guy. He's sitting ready to get some Easter hunting going with his little legs and his little arms and the little rouge, blushes on his little cheeks. I love the way that this loop stitch is done. It creates structure, or texture is the word, texture and dimension. It's very, very well done. And who wouldn't love a basket filled with eggs and little cute little bunnies? Now this is Easter perfection, I think. That you get all the patterns for the basket, for the little bunnies, and for those all the decorative flowers and the eggs. It's and look at those little details in the sort of grass, having those flowers grow out of the ground onto the basket. It's just perfection. It's lovely. Now here's another view of it. I can see this little Easter bunny is ready to disperse these little Easter eggs. Another one with a gorgeous big flower on top, pink, and made with care, and lovely eggs in it. Very, very nice. And this is my personal absolute favorite. I mean, it doesn't get more Eastery than this. An Easter bunny with a basket and gorgeous chocolate eggs. I mean, there's nothing that can beat this, is there? The bunny is perfection in itself, and the fact that he's holding, I think this is even crocheted into the pattern. It's gorgeous, and it's just if you have time, go for this one, I say. You will find the links to every one of these gorgeous patterns for Easter baskets in the description below, and please check out my other Easter baskets videos and videos on other Easter crochet patterns if you are thus inclined. And if you don't want to miss anything, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.